Today we're going to see how to use BNTouch for updates and files and processing. Hello, hey, it's Frank here with Nuhome Group. I wanted to show you guys the new system that we're going to use for updating our clients and communicating with all the parties involved in a loan transaction, okay? So for those of you that work for us, if you have the credentials for the Gmail login, then you're gonna see the tab here on the top left here. Okay, so this is our test client. So there's a couple parts that we'll be using. So the first part is participants. We're gonna fill in the buying agent, the listing agent, the builder, the escrow agent, which is the title company, the processor, which will be you, the processor, and then custom one will be the loan officer. We're going to input that there. So what's going to happen is these are all the participants, all the people working on a loan within the file. And let me show you where we'll be working. Add event here on the top right, this orange button. If you type in a message, let's say you're having trouble getting documents, because that's common. Let's say it's been 2 days, Mr. Frank, and I am waiting for your last pay stub for your loan closing. All right, so you send him that message, share with the borrower. Now, if you want to burn the borrower and send it to the agent, you can send it to the agent. Let's say you don't want to send it to both agents. Let's say I just want to send it to my agent. If I don't want the listing agent to know that they're giving me that much trouble. And then you can just say add, and then boom, that goes to the client. And then if you ever want to send a client a quick text message, that's send SMS. Mr. Frank, please don't forget to send me your newest pay stub ASAP. That is all need for closing, right? And then if you say, okay, I want to send it to his email, subject, last pay stub, boom. Okay, and you can even send emojis if you like sending emojis, you know, whatever, you know. That's not my thing, but if you are somebody who likes to send emojis, you can. Or if you got a client that's been friendly enough that you feel like you can do that, go for it. Nothing's stopping you, okay? And you can send him the message. Boom, he gets that text message. Boom, and sends a text. Now, so here's a bunch of templates that I've created. So feel free to, add your own templates, and you can go ahead and add your own templates here, and it'll make things easier. Now, if you're asking for documents, here's where you go, documents on the top. You just request documents. Now, these are the normal documents, but here you'll just say, whatever you need. What do you need? Gift letter signed by donor. You put a date you want by the 10th. Earnest money canceled check or and whatever, and you can go through all these and create. You can actually create a list, the presets, You can make a preset. Oh, where's that? You see? So there's all kinds of things you can do. What else? Oh, you can also, going back to the client, you can go back, you can, I almost forgot. You can send a video. You could go and record a video, and you can text it. You can email and text it. And subject, you can say, sometimes there's some conditions that you just can't type it up. It's just hard to say how to type up what you want to say, especially like, large deposits and, where it's got the URL at the top and, like there's a lot of things that's hard to explain. So maybe just a quick email, video, because I think a video is easier than typing because sometimes typing takes a long time and the urgency doesn't come across. Like if I talk to him on the video and say, man, Mr. Frank, I need this by tomorrow. Work with me. We're not gonna make your closing date. So those kind of things will really, really help the clients understand that there's urgency behind it. So keep that in mind. It's a cool tool. It's something that you can use. I know some of you are not that happy with using, cameras and videos and all that stuff, but it's important to the clients to try to get a good review and try to have the clients happy, So you don't want to do things that are going to make people, upset. What else here? Oh, of course, the campaigns. You can select the start a campaign, and there's all kinds of cool things. Order the appraisal, applications complete, file a home, follow up. So there's a lot of different little things there that we can select, and then and these things. So, and here's tasks. So if you want to schedule a task for yourself to call, ask for funds, you can actually schedule it. So let's say the lock expires on Friday. Call reminder. Okay, so you can say lock expires. Make sure to relock or extend. You see? And you add, it's an update. And there's there. It'll remind you on Friday when it's time to do that. So that's cool. It's a cool little tool that you can use to help you to, keep the clients up to date. All right. So we're here, right? And you can invite to the portal. So here on contact has a password. The clients have to have this password. So you go back to mortgage info and send them invite to the portal. And it says it has I just like to put the password there for them. Send it to them. I copy it to the text. Boom. Send. They got invited to the portal with the password, and now they can upload these documents. If you have prerequisites, you want them by the 10th. It's already gone through there. You see, I sent it to the client requesting it. It's going to remind them every day until we get them. And then let's say you just want more documents. You just asking for conditions. Hit them up for the conditions, and they'll upload them here to the same place. The cool thing about it is if you text them, they'll text back here on this. And if you keep this open, the filter's right here. So look. Since I haven't been using it, there's no text messages here. But if we switch to my account, well, the one I've been using it for the prospects. Let me just show you. You see all these messages, all these different clients, all those things, and then it's cool. Docs, people who send docs, it sends all the docs here, and so you can check. Boom, you don't even have to go through your file. You see that? It's all there, you know. And then task, we have our task. See, so it's a cool tool. Hopefully, it'll help us. The purpose is to just help us. You see. And this is where this is where all the templates are, and you can print a label and email, text, message. All right. Well, if there's any questions, which I'm sure there will be, reach out to me. Let me know, and I'll be free. Feel free to answer you and get down the road. But this program is going to help us. Trust me.